The U.S. Census Bureau data available at census.gov tells the following. In AD 2019, 221.75 million people in America had an income. 63 million people in America who had an income in AD 2019 were Social Security beneficiaries, and 158.75 million people were income earners or workers. In AD 2019, 13.72% of the people who had an income in the U.S. made at least six figures. 20,624,000 men, 9,800,000 women, and 30,424,000 in total. A quick advertisement before I continue on this topic. You can invest in my startup company with as little as $100 for supporting advancing AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion powered outer space tech. Visit robocentric.com/investors to invest in my startup. I have a multi-decade commitment to advancing AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion-powered outer space tech. To learn more about my cause, check out my books, which are available at robocentric.com/checkout, Amazon, Apple Books, Spotify, and other online audiobook retailers. Now back to the main content. Over every 10 people who had an income in America, about one made at least six figures in AD 2019. In AD 2019, only about 1.87% of the people who had an income in America had an income of $250,000 or more. 3,074,000 men and 1,062,000 women, 4,136,000 in total. In AD 2019, 60.81% of the people who had an income in America made less than $50,000. In AD 2019, 75.26% of the people who had an income in America made less than $70,000. One of the vital goals I pursue in advancing science, technology, and capitalism is robotizing the American national economy, which is doubling the American national GDP by adding AI and robots to the American national economy. In my view, robotizing the American national economy necessitates doubling the incomes of the American human workers. The incomes of the American human workers must be doubled via the advances in AI and robotics. Advancing AI and robotics must result in doubling the incomes of the American human workers. The American human workers must become AI and robot work managers in order to double their incomes. Doubling the incomes of the American human workers is everything in advancing AI and robotics. The prime directive in advancing AI and robotics is to double the incomes of the American human workers via AI and robotics. You can invest in my startup company with as little as $100 for supporting advancing AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion-powered outer space tech. Visit robocentric.com/investors to invest in my startup. My books on advancing AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion-powered outer space tech are available at robocentric.com/checkout, Amazon, Apple Books, Spotify, Google Play Store, and other online audiobook retailers. I am Alan Young. I'm an Asian American man who focuses on advancing AI, robotics, human longevity, biotech, and nuclear fusion-powered outer space tech. Message me or call me anytime on the social media if you'd like to discuss investing in my high-tech startup.